Hi everyone, I am Dr. Tejasvi Bachalla, consultant doctor in Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we are discussing about how homeopathy helps in prevention of dengue fever. Normally in rainy season, mosquito-borne infections like malaria, dengue, chikungunya increases. For dengue, there is no specific medicine conventional method. They provide only support to care only. By using homeopathy medicines, we can prevent dengue occurrence. I can explain it in a clear manner. Let's move on to the board. Now we are discussing how homeopathy helps in prevention of dengue. Now coming to what is dengue. Dengue is an acute viral infection characterized by headache, fever, rash, severe body ache, and joint pains, sometimes associated with bleeding and shock in severe cases also. Dengue is also called as breakbone fever. Why it is called as breakbone fever means patient itself may say he or she having feeling of my bones are breaking. He has that feeling breaking of bones. Dengue virus. Dengue virus. There are 4 serotypes in dengue virus. There is no specific medicine for that serotype. Vector. Usually, dengue is spread by the infection of Aedes aegypti mosquito. Aedes aegypti act as vector for dengue fever. Reservoir. Usually, humans act as a reservoir for dengue fever. Infected human itself act as a source of infection for Aedes aegypti mosquito. Now, coming to how homeopathy helps in prevention of dengue. Homeopathy helps in prevention. It means homeopathy medicines act as prophylaxis in dengue fever. Homeopathy medicines may not go into complication. It means it can reduce the severity of the illness and it improves the immune system also. May reduce the intensity, duration, frequency. By using homeopathic medicines, we can reduce the intensity of symptoms like headache, body pains, and rash also. And duration frequency means we can reduce the duration of symptoms and the reoccurrence also. May reduce the number of symptoms. By using homeopathic medicines, we can reduce the number of associated symptoms like body pains, headache, rash, and also nausea, weakness, all other symptoms. May avoid hospitalization, which means by using homeopathic medicines in mild and moderate cases, we can treat the disease condition home itself. May reduce hospital stay and expenses. In cases where admission is necessary, by using homeopathic medicines as supportive care, we can reduce their severity also. Homeopathic medicines may prevent going in permanent disabilities or death. By using homeopathic medicines and at proper time, we can reduce the severity of illness and also chances leading to death also. Warning. No medicine acts as 100% preventive, but by using homeopathic medicines, we can reduce the severity of the symptoms and also we can reduce the further complications, their recurrence in future also. Now we are coming to how to use homeopathic preventive medicine for dengue. This is the kit provided for adults in Fidicus Homeopathy. In this kit, 3 packets of medicines are available with labeling. This is the month 1 packet, this is the month 2 packet, and this is the month 3 packet. This is the month 1 packet. 3 medicines are available in month 1 packet. In month 1 packet, red cap medicines are used in the first week for 3 days. 2 in the morning, 2 in the night on empty stomach. Blue cap medicines are used in the second week for 3 days, 2 in the morning and 2 in the night. Green cap medicines are used in the third week for 3 days, 2 in the morning and 2 in the night on empty stomach. Repeat the same procedure in the remaining second and third month. Red cap medicines are used in the first week for 3 days. Blue cap medicines are used in the second week for 3 days. Green cap medicines are used in third week for 3 days. Now we discussed about the doses in children. Usually children are 12 years and below children usually take one pill, one in the morning and one in the evening also. But for adults means 13 years and above. The doses for adults are 2 pills every time, 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. Now we are coming to the instructions while taking the homeopathic medicine. Clean tongue. Firstly, clean tongue helps in the easy absorption of medicinal substances. Second one is sublingual. If you are taking medicines sublingually, it means medicines are kept under the tongue. It can easily helps in absorption of medicine directly into the blood. Now avoid eating 5 minutes before and after. It helps in easy absorption of the medicine. So try to avoid eating or drinking 5 minutes before or after taking the medicine. In children, place the medicine on the tongue or in the cheek pocket and allow them to dissolve. It helps in the absorption of the medicine. These are the instructions while taking the homeopathic medicine. Now we are discussing about how homeopathic medicine helps in prevention of dengue and how homeopathic medicine is used in prevention. If you want to free from dengue, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.